everyone. Today we will discuss about the programs on copy, string concatenate and string length. All those are now we will discuss these three programs. In last video we will discussed about the string and what is a string, declaration, initialization string and string handling functions like string copy, string compare, string concatenate, string upper, lower, all those are. Now we'll see programs in that without using string handling functions. We can use concatenate, copy, all those are, but we cannot use string handling functions. Without using the string handling functions, we can write the programs. Now we'll see asterisk as in studio.h, standard input output header file, and void main function. We are writing in this void main function. And open char string 1 size is 100 up to 100. Next character char string 2 50 size is string 2 is 50. Next int I comma j, these two values we are taking. Int is integer. Printf first, enter first string and gets string 1. String 1 is string 1. Here string which are entering the string first string, here it reads the first string. Next printf enters second string and gets a string 2. Here string 2 is read here. Next for, we are using for loop. I is equals to 0, string 1 not is equals to what is this? Null character. Next I increment. Next for j is equals to 0, string 2 j and null is not equals to null character j plus plus. Next to open brace. Next string I plus j, string 2 is equals to j, I1 is equals to string 1, string I plus j is equals to string j. Next close, string I plus 1 is equals to what is this? Null character. Next printf concatenated string is a string 1. Now we'll see output for this program. What is the output? Enter first string. We have to enter this string. Government Polytechnic. Next enter second string. What is the second string? Hyderabad. Here concatenate string. Concatenation is what? Combining the two strings, string 1 and string 2. Here concatenating the string is Government Polytechnic Hyderabad. Okay, now this is the output for this program. Next program is about program to copy one string to another string without using this string function. What is the here program? As include asterisk include studio.h, void main function, open brace, char source is 100 and destination is 100 size. Next int I value, printf please enter source string and get source. Next for, we are using for loop. I is equals to 0, source I and null character I plus plus, close. Destination I is equals to source I, close. Next destination is I is equals to null character. Printf copied string is percentage s and /n destination. Printf total number of characters is copied from I. Here we will see output for this program. Enter string is Government Polytechnic. Next copied string is also Government Polytechnic. Here Government Polytechnic is copied in I, Government Polytechnic. This is the output. Next the total number of characters we can copy it is 21. This GOVERNMEN, this total is 21. Okay na? Next program we will see program to find the length of given string. Length of a given string without using the string handling function. Now you see here asterisk include studio.h header file. Next void main function. Next open. Next string character string 100. String size is 100. Int length is equals to 0. Printf enter this string. We have to enter this string. Next Get string. Here string is reads here. Gets means reads a character. Reads a string. Next while we are using while loop. String length not is equals to null character. Length is equals to increment. Next close. Printf length of the string is equals to length. Next to close the program. Now we'll see output for this program. Enter the string is let us by C by XYZ. Here the length of the string is 11. Here to here. Let us see by XYZ is the output. Length is 11. This is the output program for without using this string length handling function. These programs are very important diploma and BTech students. You need to write these programs in every semester examination. In any programming language we have to write these programs in exam. If you are watching first time, subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video. Subscribe the channel and click on bell icon so that when I will upload the video you will get by notification. Next video we can meet. Thank you.